So this is Woody. He fell out of the tree. We became buds, right? We finally put him back up in the tree last night and then left for dinner. Came back 3 hours later, found his mom and dad back on the bushes, feeding him. And when we got back from dinner, he was still up in the tree, but not in his nest. So we talked a little bit, didn't we? We had a little conversation. And I went to leave, and he jumped out of the tree. Or yes, you did. Woody fell out of the tree again. So we made a little bed and slept next to me on the couch. Didn't you, Woody? We got up this morning and had fresh worms and berries, a couple drops of water. We got your exercise. And we're sitting back out here on the couch on the back porch next to his tree. Big tree right there that he fell out of. And waiting for Mom to come back, right? Right, Woody? Say hi. Say hi to Facebook. So we're getting our exercise and get our wings going, and he likes this game. Yes, he does. Ready? Okay, go. Go. Okay, Woody, ready? Ready? Go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. He's getting anxious. So I think he's waiting for Mom to come back. Oh, he just gave me a little present. Thank you, Woody. I think he's getting ready to fly. There he goes. He made it. Oh, he didn't make it. He's got a little hummingbird next to him checking on him. Let's go make sure he's all right. So he definitely wants that tree back. He gets excited about it. Let's go see how he's doing. Woody, you almost made it, buddy. You almost made it. You want back up there? Huh? You want back up there? All right, come on, I'll help you. Come on, up. Come on, up. Up. Come on, Woody, up. There you go, good boy. All right, so this is the tree that Woody wants to get back to. Right, Woody? All right, let's try to get back up there again. All right, we're going to put you back up there. See if you can go find Mom. Ready? All right, buddy. Ready? Get up there. Fly. Fly. There you go. What do you say? One up there? Somewhere. Where are we going to put you? Okay, here's that little spot right here. How about that one? How about that one? Okay. All right. Hang out up there. Let's hope this time he stays up there and Mom and Dad find him. Can we see him? Okay, Woody, you gotta stay up there this time, okay? Go find your mommy. I'll keep you updated.